Ka Sengsam Lashnong Mokorwat rengkat ke Jinga Trailang ke Officer Club jong ka Southwest Kasils District. Haka singsa jain ke Lapenlong ke Jinga Koprawai ni ka Rock Beat Contest Mokorwat. Haka baka pang padeng kadai Rock Without Drugs. Belapenlong Hamadan jong ka Nativity High Secondary School Mokorwat. Haka ni ka Jinga Koprawai ki dontang santali ki kenhun neki bans. Ki balawan berhisimenta berkita kilong ka Dark Avis Ban, ka Green Room Project, ka Myrtle Ban, ka Denomats, berkasi aro of Munbut. Ki balaidan lang hak nega sengi kilong na du uba tilang wa IAS Deputy Commissioner jong ka Southwest Kasils District, ba LT Tariang MCS Additional Deputy Commissioner, bat kumu Secretary jong ka Officer Club, resource person na po ka Meghalaya AIDS Control Society, bat ki wede ki officer jong ka Southwest Kasils District. Ki nong job hak nega sengi kilong, ka Myrtle Gospel Ban ni ka namaningkong, baar ka Kos Aro of Manbut, bat balai ka Denomats. Kaladon ru ka Kusnam Shimet kata Best Guitarist, Usan Donbor Lengkoi, Best Drummer, Uchekman Po Lengkoi, Best Vocalist, Commander Lengkoi, berkini kidei na ka Myrtle Gospel Band, but Best Bassist, Udame Saman Bahan Room, jong ka Kos Aro of Manbut.
Right on the wall, right on the corner, there's order. Now, somewhere between us and we're silent, take we're silent and sleep. Somewhere, we're flying, we're silent and sleep. Disorder, disorder, disorder. so soon that I had time to make him on by the dark side, but now I did I fall to scream inside you. So all you have and against you. Strong one, I just want to be raising with your blood. You with your demons, I bend to your doctor. Just let me in now. Just let me die, I know. Fly away to the sky. Fly to the secret one.
心上，还继续过ที่คล้อยบ้านเนี่ยเจ็บเป็นเสียงที่เตรียมจบที่เตรียมจบเพียงสัญญาอาบุพี่เสียงโมบาคาแม่จงพี่แต่ลงขับเธอเพิ่มจงลูกเล่พี่เข็นโดนท่าลาพี่เลี้ยบ
Namla rukam dimension ya ka support juga MGMP ka bidi begini ka concert mentanski nangta nang kaliang juga election branch hangni po district ka support ru yakini ka function mentanski but kumjur ya ka officers club ka ba lai funding mentakani ka program kini bro likely ka funding kini ka program mentanski but kadue yang kublai ka seksabla But kini kamde kasi menikong mengikirmen ba nang ni sakama kitang boot programs manginang la manle rengkat ke officers club bagi branch juga ki branch of officers club but ki branches juga office departments ki badan hangni ka district rengkat bagi sing sabla kana mengin wara ki kino ki jimbha bagi jimentor ye kini ka thai berkoi but khamtam e ban rating kau ni kijing badi kijing ma kiba up ya kikun samla kijing tagi ni kentian ai kublai bat ngakermen the very best ya bat ai kublai bat ai wish ya barokah kibans kiban cimenta kini akadika function ke mabeta minta kasi compare job hidam dari ke bakongsan ya kini kijing persang kijing main kiu soprang haga talent ke ba kublai ba ai tagi ni kentian kublai saya jago
Adana po office juga Megale East Control Society. Di kompo office ngidon kata kajing thang ka bakraw banile ya gani kajing roy banile persya ya gani kajing roy kajing pang HIV East hapo kajala kajungi ladang ipe ikiwi kajala hagini kisnan kibladeb katren kalanang hiar Resosi abang ipai sekejala jengi katren kanang kiyo. Abang lawat jing tip Southwest Kasils District ngidon kemba Shispatam kibriu kibadan ni nyang jingpang hakui district ni pe bulenang kiyo na fipe ikani ka neighboring district jupi ka Eastern West Kasils ladang ipe ka West Kasils kumju kejala bro kuwi. Tene ka janit lakwa manapir ba kumbangani ka thimi kong rock without drugs mo ladang etem yuput ladang ile kanu ni sobha nginile bankyar nagini jingdi basliyo udrogs ula banwan haibubun kidur ki kidur ki ban pengom yaki samla ki bubun apo ni ka than mo korwat Hakajala Meghalaya jungi hi ngidang de balle e kamaping jongi te ki high risk group but andang le de balle te kamaping lemba ke jikudo jongi stakeholders ki prepare ne po Southwest Kasils ni ya kata ka presence jongi drug users ni ya kata ki presence jongi injecting drug users apo ka district